Right then, what we're going to do? We're going to do the final drive oil, this stuff, and do the wheel. So, Kawasaki GTR1400, Viscount's layer, bit messy, peeing it down at rain outside, so I'm just going to move the front of the bike out so I can get to the back of the bike. And if I do this right, I might put that there, and I might be able to have the back end in the dry, which is always good. Hopefully, this is a bit of a dip in the floor there. Yeah, look at that. I can just have the wheel off the ground, which would be quite nice when I drop it off. So first things first, drainy drippy thing. And tools. Now, I've got quite a good deal on this toolbox from a well-known supplier of automotive tooling, Aldi. Now, nice, right. First thing to do is to take out the back wheel, split pin. Split pin. Okay, and then squeeze this together. Pin it there. Pin. Nice. Using the Andy specially designed parts holder. You should patent that, Mr. Cam. Andy Cam Andy. And socket. Big, too small. Brakes. Do I need to take that out? No. I don't think I do. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that off. Okay, time to get the pry bar. Oh, see, you get all these little things lying around which you never think you'll lose. This nut here holds on the rear carrier for the brake disc. So if I do that. Let up out of the way so it doesn't stretch the pipe. Bit of a dunk there, sorry. Okay, should be a case of just pulling this to the side and pull it. How hard is that? Yeah, there's not an awful lot of grease in there. There's my tub of grease. Why do things move when you don't touch them? Now, I'm going to undo that. I should be able to do this. Look at that. So see, hopefully, let's turn that a little bit straight on. Oh, it's bent already. That's not a good sign. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. So that's just some rubbery jubbery. Hey, look at that. Adapt and overcome. Come on, come on. Oh, there you go. I hate that bit. Too many things go snap. Well, let's try to get this, getting oil all over myself. I was expecting that to come out in a big flood, but clearly not. Right, so just leave that drain for a little while. Apparently this is brake face, brake face? Brake face, that's what you do when your brakes run out. Something very therapeutic about working on motorbikes. I find it so anyway. If you don't know how to do these things, Google it, somebody's done it before you, which is why I'm doing this video. Let's just show you, you can have a go. What's the worst that can happen? You can break, you fall off and die. We all die. Okay. Hey, another one. Courtesy of my local bike shop for free. Oh, here with the blokes who did my plugs. Bikes of Brighton. Very good bunch of lads. Ask them any question you want and they'll have an answer for you. Sometimes it might not be the answer you want, but isn't that the case? Okay, sweet. One. Squeeze it down the bottom. Now, why don't I just open up a corner? That way I can. Oh, hello. Save. Yeah. Rest of it. If I want to do it the next time. Wet. I need a bigger shed. Oh, he dropped it in the oil. Do you like the side view? If you look in there, you can see the splines. Yeah, look, it's just going to have a little pory thing. Oh. What I think I will do is I'll put the drippy thing, that's a technical term, the drippy thing, the tray back under it. Oh. Okay. Oop, I'll hold that there. Apart from spilling it all over the place, this is working quite well. You can see the difference in the colour of the oil that I took out. What I'm putting in. Okay. I think that's probably going to be it. Not sure. There you are. I think looking at that, that's going to be it. Handy tip, don't get oil all over your torch if you're trying to look at something and put it in your mouth. Okay, I'll put this away before I knock it arse about the face flying everywhere. And the tool, the tool. Okay. And I'll just nip this up. Okay. There's no, oh, it makes all wet, it's getting peed on. My shed is pissing on my bike. Next thing to do, put the back wheel back in. Come on, you can get in there, go on. Go on, you know you want to, go on. Go on, there you go. I used to have a little wedge which I put under the back wheel, push the wheel past where I want to go and then roll it back and it lifted up, but I don't know where it's gone. Need to get another one of those. He says, "Come in, you bastard." Tell you what, so bastard everything. You can feel it on your finger. And then I have to do that and that. Make sure that the brakes got back on the disc properly. Okay. I just want that through there. Pads are in, spacers are in. Right, so we need that one I think it was. Is that right? I left that bit out. Dumb fuck. Right, back to square one again then. Might get one of those single-sided swing arm jobs. Now that'd be a good idea. Now let's tap this through. Right. I think this is where we were earlier. No, you cock. It's been a while since I've done this. Here's the thing. Just have to loosen this off. Instructional video, my ass. This is how not to do it. I would have been done by now, but I'd done it properly. Yeah, it's half the fun, isn't it? Put it into gear, see what happens. Yeah, take the side stand up next time. Just clean that bit of crap off the tyre that's there. And that's it. Easy enough job to do if you don't do what I did and fuck it up, but yeah, done. Excellent. Right, onwards and upwards. Bye.